Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Mark Bar brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, February 25th. Hey, by the way, stay tuned to the very end here. There's going to be some update on to some big changes coming up on reverse mortgages. So stay tuned at the end of the program here. But in the meantime, we just got the new home sales for the month of January for our economic calendar today. So last reporting back in December, we had 482,000 new home sales. The forecast was supposed to dip in January due to the holidays, but it stayed right in that same area. So not bad numbers there, 481,000 for the month of January. So decent numbers there. Today the stock market's down. It's kind of heading into the second day of Janet Yellen's speech. As yesterday we talked about how she mentioned that if she removes the word patience, that it doesn't mean it's definite that they're going to raise rates right away. It's going to be taken by case by case or actually meeting by meeting agenda as to when they'll decide to start raising interest rates. The things she's looking at are, of course, labor, wanting to see wage growth a little bit more, seeing more jobs, as well as the inflation is a little bit lower than what they like it to be. She doesn't see it improving in the near term, but long term she thinks it will start improving. They like to try to get to the 2% level. So those are some of the things she kind of touched on yesterday, and today she's giving her second one. So market's kind of pulling back and be a little bit more conservative. They're also probably, they had rallied a little bit after her speech, so it's probably in more of an oversold position. So kind of taking profit taking as a result as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market, and we're getting a nice little improvement here as well. So the bond market also improved yesterday, and today we're up about 1 basis point. So not much from where we left off, but so far this morning we have some improvement in interest rates from earlier from yesterday. As we mentioned, so again that translates to better interest rates today. As we've mentioned previously, some new changes coming on reverse mortgages. They're supposed to be due in March, but they're going to go ahead and move it to another 30, 60 days, the deadline. But what's going on is that they're going to, qualifying purposes, there will be some qualifying based on credit as well as income. So the credit they're looking at is willingness to pay. They're going to be looking to see if people are getting tax liens, these type of things, because they want to make sure that they're actually willing to make a payment. Either they can't make it or they're willing to make it, not willing to make it, and they're trying to determine which might be if there is a power in the situation here. So they're going to be viewing that. It's not going to be an end all that they're going to say no, you can't have a loan based on maybe you have a tax lien or some type of judgment or these type of things. These things can, a lot of times will be worked out, but they are going to be looking at a little bit, scrutinizing a little bit more. Also, on the income side of things, they're looking at residential or residual income rather, and want to make sure that people are have the money to pay their taxes and pay their housing payments. So they're going to be taking a closer look on how much people are bringing in, whether it's from pensions or Social Security, that they had the money to go ahead and cover their housing costs. So that way they're not having issues coming back with foreclosures and such going on there as well. So again, these are end all, but they are going to take a closer look at these, and especially in the beginning of these. If anything, lenders are going to be a lot more conservative on these because some of these are a bit more vague. When HUD release these, it's a bit more vague, so so be prepared a bit more conservative underwriting decisions on these type of things. All right, folks. Hey, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and again, tomorrow we got the CPI coming in and weekly jobless claims, so we'll have a little bit more depth in terms of data coming up, and then on Friday we got some more information with the GDP numbers as well as consumer sentiment. All right, have a wonderful day. Take care.